I have a power of attorney. Let me act. As a last point here, I will stress the fact that a lot of people give up on a power of attorney because it's not their last resort. A lot of times when a power of attorney needs to be used, there's resistance from title company, insurance company, mortgage company, whoever. But put yourself in the shoes of somebody who has a durable power of attorney for a person who's mentally out of the picture, cannot do anything for themselves. Act like that because power of attorney does work in those situations. And if that was the situation and you couldn't turn back and that was your only hope, you would press forward. You would insist. You would say, this person is unavailable. I have power of attorney. What is the problem? Help me understand what the problem is because they've authorized me to act on their behalf. I'm acting on their behalf. I have a fiduciary duty. It's my problem if it goes wrong. So, what do I need to do to satisfy you? I have a signed and notarized power of attorney. Where is the problem here? Let me act. Let me do what I'm supposed to do. I am in charge of this account. I am in charge of their life as it regards to this property address, insurance account, mortgage, taxes. I'm the one. I'm the name. Who else are you looking to? Because that person is unavailable, and that's why they made me power of attorney. And if you press the issue like that, you generally will succeed. The problem is we mostly give up because somebody's like, I don't like this power of attorney. Well, yeah, you can still turn back. We turn back because we could go back to that person and say, we need a different power of attorney. But if they were disabled and unable to sign a new durable power of attorney, that's not even an option. You don't have that bridge. The bridges are all burned, and you're going to press forward and say, I have a power of attorney. Let me act. I am authorized. Get out of my way. Make this change to the account. That's all there is to it. Or wait for an attorney letter. And they will move. And things will get done magically because you press the issue. The problem is that we're not assertive enough because we're not confident. You have solid documents, you have legal precedent in front of you. Lean on that and press forward.